Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the carabiner closely because safety depends on integrity. Look for cracks, bent frames, corrosion, or sharp burrs. Those mean replacement, not repair. Next, test the gate action. Open it and let it snap. Make sure it fully aligns with the nose. Once done, confirm the rating stamped on the spine and whether it's locking or non-locking so you choose the right fix and tools. This avoids improper fixes that reduce strength or void safety. You disassemble any removable parts next, like a screw gate sleeve, taking note of orientation so reassembly is exact. Then clean the joint area thoroughly. Use a stiff brush, warm water, and mild detergent to remove grit that jams movement. Rinse and dry completely. Moisture left inside causes corrosion. After drying, apply a small amount of light lubricant to the hinge, spring area, and threads. This reduces friction and restores smooth action. Make sure to wipe off excess so dust won't stick. You reassemble the carabiner, ensuring the screw sleeve and any washers sit exactly where they came from, then tighten until snug. Do not over-tighten because you can damage threads. Once reassembled, test the gate action repeatedly and apply light loads to verify alignment. Use safe anchors and progressive force. If wobble, play, or misalignment persists after cleaning and adjusting, don't improvise. Replace the spring or retire the carabiner. One key troubleshooting tip: persistent movement, usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.